much awaited Gen 2 features from Runway are here now. Now everyone can go to their web or Android app and generate videos from text prompts in the preview. So go to runwayml.com and then from there click on introducing Gen 2 where you can generate videos with simple text prompts. Just wait for a later, and if this is the first time you are visiting their website, you might have to um, sign up for you for a free account. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm here. Now let's give it any prompt like create a video of white sandy beach with palm trees, uh, palm trees in light breeze with we can say with sharks in the water. Let's see what happens. Click on preview and then it takes a bit of a time, and then as you can see on the top it is generating previews. Just took few seconds. Okay, so there you go. Now these are the previews where whatever you would like you can go with it. I think now look at this, the shark is in the air, so this is not a good option. There is no shark in it, nothing here. This one is closer to reality, so let me ask it to generate this one. And then there's some wait time. Sometimes I have seen that it takes around 10 seconds, sometimes even 5 minutes, because it's a free version. I'm not really using any upgrade version. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so you can see that it has created the video. It took around 3 to 4 minutes, but it's here. Let me play it. So it is playing, and as you can see, um, it is okay. I mean, I won't say it's really groundbreaking, but still quite good enough. It has been able to grasp the meaning what I was saying. But as I was expecting it to blow a light breeze where these palm trees leaves or branches would be moving around a little bit, maybe shark would be circling, but that's fine. I think it did the 90-95% of stuff. Uh, Great thing. I will put this link to this website in video description so that you can play around. Thank you very much.